The SKIDATA data analytic and business intelligence tools will support you to do the right business decisions and generate value out of your data. Good day to everybody. My name is Christian Paganel. I'm Sales Channel Expert at SKIDATA, and I'm pleased to present you SKIDATA business intelligence and data analytic tools with focus on the cloud service sweb Analyze Parking. Sweb Analyze Parking will give you easy and powerful insights about your parking business. Data analytics. Turn your data into value.
Data analytics. Turn your data into value and make the right decisions. We know that the parking data and key performance indicators are crucial nowadays to optimize the parking business. Parking managers must have the actual and historical data to compare this data for trend analysis. Parking managers need to know when parkers enter and exit the facility, how long they stay, which revenue they generate, which payment channels they use. Parking managers need to know how productive devices and parking areas are. Parking managers need to know which products or car parks are high performers and which are low performers. Parking managers need to compare the performance of their parking products, their parking devices, their parking areas, their parking facilities to optimize the parking business. Parking managers need to inform company owners and stakeholders with clear and visually appealing statistics. Parking managers need to decide the actions that have to be taken to optimize and increase the parking business. Therefore, data is crucial for your success. However, data is coming often from different sources and it is inconsistent. Data collection and data preparation is time-consuming, contains a lot of manual work and bears the risk of human errors. Changing and updating this data, the tables and graphs manually, often needs experts with special knowledge, and all that has to be done frequently for all different key performance indicators per parking facility, per parking area, per device, per cashier, and in addition sometimes a quick special data information is needed for owners, new business partners or other stakeholders. At the end of the day, without a good, flexible and central data analytic tool which is well integrated into the parking management solution, it results in a lot of time, high costs, efforts and inefficiency. Without a good data analytic tool, the parking business cannot be well managed and developed further. Turn your data into value and make the right decisions. For all that, SKIDATA offers several business intelligence products. From the Parking.Logic software models, Parking.Logic customizable reports, Parking.Logic extended statistics, Parking.Logic operative dashboards, up to sweb Analyze Parking, SKIDATA's cloud-based business intelligence solution. Parking.Logic customizable reports shows the figures to run the daily parking operation. You can create filters, get the detailed figures for shifts, cash flow, reports about revenue, sales, payment methods and much more. Parking.Logic Extended Statistics is a tool to analyze key figures of one parking facility, to provide information on how parkers are using the parking facility. Extended statistics include information about passages, revenue, parking duration, occupancy, and other key figures. Extended statistics allows you to compare actual and historical data to understand the development of your parking business. Optional, it can be entered via a web portal. Parking.Logic Operative Dashboard displays operative key performance indicators of one parking facility to have a perfect overview about the facility operation and to plan and react proactively. Operative dashboards are shown in a separate window, which can be placed on a separate computer screen. Data are updated nearly in real time. A drill down function is available. Up to 30 different active data widgets can be configured, like cash management, system events, reservations arrived, reservations expected, and others. SWeb Analyze Parking, SKIDATA's cloud-based business intelligence solution for advanced long-term data analytics for one or multiple parking facilities to receive comprehensive insights anywhere, anytime. SKIDATA's Web Analyze Parking offers ready-to-use management dashboards, trend analysis, data analytic and self-service business intelligence functions, drag-and-drop customization, centralized data storage, to receive comprehensive insights anywhere, anytime. We at SKIDATA developed the business intelligence solutions Web Analyze Parking to help you making the right decisions for your parking business. It brings you the following benefits. You can make the right decisions based on easy understandable dashboards and statistics. You can maximize your parking profit and revenue by identifying opportunities quickly via easy data analysis. You can do long-term data comparison and trend analysis for one or multiple parking facilities due to secured, automated central data storage. You can use your data anywhere, anytime via SKIDATA Cloud Service. You can prepare your data fast and flexible by using easy understandable business intelligence functions. We at SKIDATA are taking out the fear and efforts of data analysis and turn your data into value. Now, I want to show you on 3 examples how SWeb Analyze Parking provides you with insights that are crucial for your company and how you get the mentioned benefits out of it. In the examples, we use the figures from various SKIDATA internal parking facilities, like the showrooms or the house facility. Please do not give attention on the figures. Let's concentrate on the benefits and advantages you get out of SWeb Analyze. This is an overview dashboard for my showroom facilities. The overview dashboard is one of various ready-to-use management dashboards of SWeb Analyze Parking. The overview dashboard enables you to compare the actual figures with the figures of the previous year. At the moment, we see the revenue and occupancy figures for 2020 compared with the figures 2019. Here we see the revenue figures 2020 versus 2019, the average occupancy in total figures and the average occupancy in percentage. The graphs here are showing the figures over the year, occupancy figures over the year, as well as the revenue figure here over the whole year. The pie chart here shows the top 5 car parks per revenue, and the table here are showing the car parks of my facilities with revenue figures, occupancy figures, revenue per entry, etc. As you can see, SWeb Analyze Parking is a cloud-based service. Therefore, you get this information anywhere, anytime. On big office screens, on notebooks, on tablets. The design of SWeb Analyze Parking is responsive, as you can see. SWeb Analyze Parking can be used for one or multiple facility. At the moment, I have the information of all my facilities and car parks here. For the presentation, I want to use only the facility My Experience World SKIDATA. I select the Experience World SKIDATA, and as you can see, all the information is changing immediately. The pie chart shows me now that my ticketless parking area is doing nearly 92% of my revenue, and the commercial parking 8%. Therefore, I want to know more about my commercial parking. I select my commercial parking, and I have the actual figure, revenue, average occupancy of my commercial parking on my computer screen. Now I want to know the figures for 2019. I select 2019 and immediately I have my revenue and all the other figures, the comparison between 2019 versus 2018. I have a presentation tomorrow. Therefore, I store that in a bookmark. I create a new bookmark, write the information, compare 2019 frequent parking. I store it and I can continue to work. I can delete the filters here because for my presentation tomorrow I have the information stored and available. I want to show you now a further use case, and therefore I go to occupancy and death analysis. In my second use case, I want to talk about maximizing revenue and profit by identifying opportunities quickly. I want to show you the advantage of the drag and drop function of sweb Analyze Parking. So I open the management dashboard, occupancy and death analysis. And to have a perfect view, I increase the size of the occupancy table here by one click with the mouse. I want to see the occupancy level in 2020 and per day of the week. Therefore, I filter by the year 2020 and I move the button day of the week by drag and drop to the top. And I see immediately day of the week and the different facilities. The SKIDATA house facility has on Sunday a poor occupancy level, the cell marked with yellow. Means this view enables me quickly to identify the opportunity to optimize revenue and profit. As a next step, I want to analyze the occupancy level of all my car parks. So I move the car park button by drag and drop on the first place. And again, immediately I have here the car parks with the occupancy levels marked with different colors. Yellow color means poor occupancy level, green color means acceptable occupancy level, and dark red means high occupancy level. To compare the occupancy level between 2019 and 2020, I deselect 2020 and I select 2019. And I have here now the view that commercial parking and frequent parking, the occupancy level was much higher than in 2020. Again, I have to act to improve the situation, to optimize revenue and profit. In the third use case, I will show you how easy it is to generate your own dashboard. The dashboard we generate shall be a line chart and show the entries and exits during the 24 hours of the day. To create your own dashboard, you duplicate an existing dashboard or you generate a new dashboard from scratch. In our case, I duplicate an existing dashboard, like the dashboard we have here on the screen, the fee, group and death analysis. I go to duplicate and delete the visualization of my old dashboard to have place for my new content. I select line chart out of the list of the different type of charts here. By drag and drop, I move the line chart into my content area. I select the dimension, hour, and I select the measure. The measure is the key performance indicator, the data I want to analyze. Here we have entrance, and I see the entrance per hour already. I add my exits and I have entrance and exits per hour on the computer screen. My line chart is nearly ready. I select the title. I have to delete the function in here, which is an automatic language function. I go to title, type in entry and exit per hour, and my job is done. Sweb Analyze Parking. Turn your data into value.
Independent if you use one or multiple parking facilities. Independent if you use SKIDATA parking solution with physical barriers and columns, or the SKIDATA free flow solution. You always need data analytics to optimize your parking business. SKIDATA data analytics to make the right business decision, to increase your revenue and profit, for secure long-term data comparison, to do the data preparation anytime, anywhere, to do fast and flexible data preparation to perform valuable data.